What's up, guys? It's Josh from Blackout, and today we're going to show you what's going on in the shop this week. So, right beside me, we'll start with this Audi SQ8, and we did paint protection film on this car last week, and it came back for a ceramic coating on the wheels, which is done, and also a remote start system, believe it or not. So, brand new 2021 Audi SQ8 did not come with a remote start from factory, but we have the capability to do that. Over here, check out this Jeep. This is a 98, I think, Grand Cherokee. Patrick is reinstalling some badging from it, but this is a special Jeep because it's got a 5.9 liter V8 under the hood. From what the customer told me, that is like the first SUV to come with a V8. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm assuming that it is. So it's here for us to polish the paint and do a Ceramic Pro silver package. We're also removing the wheels to do wheels off, reinstalling some badges as you see now. We tinted the windows all the way around with a ceramic window film also. And this Volkswagen Atlas was here for an annual inspection. We previously did a ceramic coating on it, and every year those coatings come back for us to make sure everything is working correctly and that the customer is taking care of it correctly. We're also cleaning up the interior of this car for the customer. On the lift, we've got a Ford Edge ST. We had an Explorer ST here 2 days ago, but this one's the Edge. We tinted the tail lights on it and the marker reflector things on the rear bumper. And now Renee and Aaron are installing paint protection film on the whole front end, as well as the A-pillars and the roof. So everything on the front-facing parts of this car will be protected from rock chips. And this massive 2500 AT4 is actually Patrick's brother, and he's here for paint protection film on the whole front end, including all of these little intricate grill pieces and all that stuff. We did, what else did we do? Door sills, door cups, and sills, and B-pillars. So there's lots of XPEL going down on this truck, and we tinted the marker lights also. This is a really popular thing we do on these newer Chevys. In the tint bay, we've got Brandon and Terrell installing window film on all kinds of cars today. How many of you guys have today? 5 or 6. Slow February day. That's normal. So outside, this Corvette might look familiar. It was here last week. You may have seen it on Justin from Horsepower Obsessed's YouTube channel. We tinted the windows. We installed paint protection film on the front end. We polished and corrected the car and ceramic coated it. So it is pretty much done, just needs a final cleanup, and it's ready to go back to Justin. And like I've said every week, it's not a week here without a Tesla. So we have another Model 3 here. This one's blue with a white interior, and it is getting a Ceramic Pro Gold package. It's all prepped and ready to go on deck for 9H. C63 from Autovlog. This thing is awesome. It is so loud. If you've seen his videos, you probably know that, but this one's here for a paint correction, which it needs very badly, and a ceramic coating. So it's getting XPEL Fusion Plus, just like his truck. If you haven't checked out the video of his truck yet, make sure you go do that. Check out his channel, Autovlog. This is my wife's Jeep, and it's supposed to get cleaned up today, but you know how that goes when it's my car or her car. So over here we've got another Ram. This one's a 2500. It got window tint this morning, and another Ram, 1500. That truck looks awfully familiar, very similar to mine, and it got tinted as well. So we're gonna head over to our emergency services shop and see what's going on over there, because there's lots of things happening there. Okay, so over at the other shop, we have Jimmy and Marshall. You may have noticed they were missing at the other one. They're over here vinyl wrapping his Jeep. I think those are 37s. This thing's huge, but we have it torn down. They're doing door jams on this one as well. The hinges are out for paint because we can't really wrap Jeep hinges correctly, but yeah, they're cruising along. Pretty much all the big pieces, the doors, the hood, all that kind of stuff are all wrapped up. So another day or so on this one, it'll be ready to go. And over here we have two emergency vehicles. This one obviously is the new City of LATROBE police cruiser. This one is totally done, ready to go home. We're just taking it back to the other shop right now to get it cleaned up, and they're picking it up in the morning. We'll do a full video on this car too before it leaves to show you what we can do for your department. And this one is another vehicle from our friends at Megan Ford. This one was also sold to LATROBE from Megan Ford. This one is going to be upfitted, ready to go. So if your department is looking for a car and you don't want to wait 6 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever it is, to get the parts in and upfit the car, you can buy this one ready to go. That's it for what's going on in the shop this week. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please check it out, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you could. We'd appreciate it, and we'll see you next week.